I will show you that how we can run a Experience by Kentico project on Docker. So you can see in my previous video that how we can set up dancing goat. So that is done. You can see in this video that I have a Docker file. Here I have mentioned each and every command which I need to run and build Docker. So everything's fine. I will share this Docker file in my blog and my video description as well. All right. Now I'm coming to the point that what we need as a prerequisites before start this process. So first of all, we need to install Docker on desktop on our system. And after installation Docker and after installation of Docker, we need to run that Docker desktop. You can see that Docker desktop is running in my system. All right. Now I'm coming the next point that I already created a Docker image and it's running perfectly. But here I want to share with you the real challenges which I face. That sometimes it's not build, sometimes it's not running. So this is the entire history which I face. So I will show you from starting. Yes. So you can see that first of all I need to run docker build command, and this is the image name. You can see dancing goat 26 July. And if I tell you that, you can see that I created this image on docker before 7 minutes ago. It's running perfectly, you can see in the use, and I will show you the real demo here. It's running. So we will go in Visual Studio. So when I run this command, it's started. Go down here. You can see that build process completed. It means image created on docker. But when I run docker run and that image name, I got a issue. You can see the network related or instance specific error. So for this reason, what I did, i'm I'm telling you one thing, that in app setting, this is my connection string which is using previously when I want to run my project from Visual Studio. So I commented it and I created one more connection string for Docker. And here my server host is this. And I created a password, user ID and password for particular database. So after that, you can see that I run again. I build that image again. So it's built again. But during some issue, I mean some space issue in my system, I got some error. So you can see that I have some issue in my laptop space. So I clean my recycle bin, get more storage, then it's run again, and it's running again perfectly. It build, you can see that it's perfectly built. Then I can say that I run the docker run command again, then I got the error again because I created database, and you can see that username is SA, but I need to give the access of this user to my database. So in my database, I give the permission this user to my database, and after that I build again and run again. So after running, you can see it's working fine after changing the database issue. Yeah, you can see here it's running perfectly here, but the port is 8080. But when I was running localhost 8080, my is already running on that port, so it's not showing error here. But when I want to run, it's not running. So what I did for that, I changed the port number. If you can see in the bottom here, a little bit above. One second. I want to tell you that what command I run. So everything's working fine. I changed the port number actually. All right. One second. Hmm. Yes, I think here is the command. Little bit down. Yeah, you can see here that previously I run this command docker 8080, but it's not running. After that, I changed that port number 8990 and it's linked to 8080. So it's running perfectly. Now I want to show you the live demo. The port number is 8990. I can hit here. I can check. Same thing on the front end side. It's working perfectly. Nothing, it's not wrong. And yeah, obviously you can see the latest version. So that is the process, and which I face during that my Docker deployment. So I hope you understand the process, and I will share all the details in my blog. uh, Thank you so much and keep me support. See you in next video. Thank you.